Your one card pull is divine timing. Patience requires trusting the process, perfect timing when it's meant to be. So this card is telling me that when you want to do something in life and you want it to be done now or within a year, sometimes spirit is just not quite right for you to come into your life at that moment. And that's why this card has come out. Something you want, you're just going to have to wait a little bit longer, because other people have free will on their end for what you want to jive up in timing and in meeting, and that's what I'm getting with this card.